Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands of tourism, printing and stationery and information and technology. 7:44 झाले. Speaker sir,
half an hour.
ना 45 minutes. Speaker sir,
अर्धी और बोल
है ना. Speaker sir, I want to begin by relating a short incident shared by one of my Goan NRI friends who had come from the US, and he was in Margao, and this was told to me last week. Because जेन्ना तो येलो तो मडगांव एक हॉटेलार रावतालो, भायर सरलो आनी टॅक्सी बसलो. टॅक्सी जेन्ना बसलो तेका मडगांवच्यान शांदोर वचपाक जाय आशिल्लें. सो टॅक्सी बसलो, टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हराक म्हणूंक लागलें, चल रे म्हाका शांदोर पावय. सो तेका तो टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर म्हणपाक लागलो, वो चांदोर कहाँ है, हमें पता नहीं है. सो तो मुगेलो फ्रेंड भायर सरलो, हाचे मुखार गेलो आनी एक टॅक्सी मेळ्ळी. ते टॅक्सी जेन्ना तो भितर सरलो, तोच प्रश्न सांगलो की म्हाका मातशें चांदोर पावय मडगांवच्यान. त्या वेळार तो स्पीकर सर टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर म्हणपाक लागलो, पात्रांव गूगल मॅप धालो, चांदोर कहाँ है, हमें पता नहीं. भायर सरलो आनी मातशें कदंबा मुखार मातशें रावलो, तिसरी आनी एक टॅक्सी मेळ्ळी. आतां जेन्ना ती तिसरी टॅक्सी गेली स्पीकर सर, त्या वेळार तोच प्रश्न केलो की आपणा मातशें शांदोर पावय. त्या वेळार ते तिसरे टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर म्हणपाक लागलो की कितना किलोमीटर होगा, कलांगूट के पास होगा. स्पीकर सर, हे इन्सिडंट हांव कित्याक सांगपाक सोदतां, कित्याक स्पीकर सर, what we can conclude from this is that Goa's tourism is owned, administered and run by tourists. When I say tourists, I mean non-locals. Speaker sir, whether it is shack, whether it is hotels, restaurants, taxis, Kesli Suvidha on the beach, it would be all non-locals. Speaker sir, I'm putting special emphasis on the fact that the tourism department and the government has to put into motion measures with regards for information, education and training for locals to be beneficiaries. This is a major step that needs to be done. Speaker sir, आता tourism आणि hospitality industry, this is our backbone. आणि इतली वर्सां जाली mining बंद जाल म्हणटच tourism is the only industry today that is surviving. And for the tourism master plan, you have spent almost 7 crores 70 lakhs. Why such a waste? Speaker sir, इव्हेंटाचेर हो आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर येयलो, इव्हेंट हो एक इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकार आनी इव्हेंट जायते जाता. सांजवां जावं म्युजीक फेस्टिवल जावं फूड फेस्टिवल हे सगळे जाता. पूण स्पीकर सर, सांजांव सार करपा जाय सार जाग्यार. जो ज्या जाग्यार केला थिंगा बांय आसना कांय ना. But you have to look at it. Because basically the point is that the way they are conducted, all these events, hardly they touch the beneficiaries. Because उड मारपाक, बाय उड मारपा जाय. माय, because sir, दुसरे जे stakeholders are there, they are hardly part of this. They are hardly part of this. Because GTDC, and I'll tell you, because GTDC and tourism department, you all don't have expertise to assess tender documents and check the scope of work. This is something that I was harping upon last time as well, in the last budget sessions. Because tourism department has zoritor figure chole, there is a huge domestic footfall. And sogle inga maka dista family tourism ache ulwele. But if we need to benefit from family tourism, why family tourism is going on a decline, these figures are completely unstable. I believe with the casinos, drug menace, Goa turning into a coal hub, Goa not being safe, with the menace of solid waste management, I believe that the tourism industry has received a trashing. And this is something I believe that is not your fault by yourself, but it is in the whole ecosystem. Speaker sir, जोरीतोर आमी रिकॉर्ड काढ चार्टर फ्लाइट चोयले. चार्टर फ्लाइटाचे detail I spoke last time. It is all down on a decline. If you look at the cruise vessels, the way from 1819 to now, it is all on the drop. Speaker sir, आमगेले tourism is special कित्याक it is because of our beaches. And our beaches, basically, we need to save them. We need to save them from what? From concretization. that this government wants to do. Speaker sir, we need to preserve our wildlife. And amge forest from what? From the wild fires je jata. We need to preserve our hills that are being destroyed day in, day out. We need to protect our waterfalls and we need to harness it well. Speaker sir, domestic tourists now, international tourists. Why do they prefer Goa? Kidak amche goinkarpon, amchi unique identity asa, and this lifestyle of us is completely different from others. But huina hui, Speaker sir, we are known as communal harmony rakpak goinkar. Huina hui, ejer maka dista, what attracts tourists. Amgele our temples, our churches, our heritage, our culture, our cuisine. But huina hui, Speaker sir, a soglyak threat zalolo. And this threat is something, Speaker sir, that will destroy the future of our tourism. Speaker sir, कितले पैसे कोट्यांनी इव्हेंट कोर, कितले इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचे दाल. जोरी तर गोंय आमी आमगेले guarantee करपाक जाय for our future generation, then we need to look at what God has given us and we need to protect it rather than destroying it. And I believe that this is the collective effort of not only the tourism ministry, but it is a collective effort of all the ministers present here. Speaker sir, tourism ministry in Kizata, their focus has reduced on tourism. Ani dengelo main focus jo ha, or focus is on land and property. Speaker sir, eyes of the tourism department on acquisition and leasing out of prime properties and location. I do not know what happened to the jetty policy. But this basically, the tourism industry, job minister seemed to be, or the department was nudging into the captain of ports or the river navigation ministry. And this would have resulted also in the privatization of our riverfronts. I believe that the ministry should be renamed as Ministry of Leasing Tourist Locations and Riverfronts instead of the Ministry of Tourism. Speaker sir, hinterland ache zaite uloile. Ata amgele 10 tourist information center hai. Ani gelte budget session akoy ayo muddo marlolo. What about the hinterlands? Sarke hinterland promote करपाक म्हूण आमचे मुखेलमंत्रीन सारके बजेट स्पीचीन अनाउन्समेंट केला. हिंग hinterland म्हणटा कसली कनेक्टिविटी ना, टॉयलेट ना, कसली कन्व्हिनियन्स ना, कसली सुविधा ना. And that's because, sir, I believe that the tourism department has also focus आसपाक जाय. It should be maximum gains to Goans at minimum cost. But what is happening currently is vice versa. If you look, Speaker sir, the way heavily that the cost that we are paying in terms of casino gambling, drug menace, prostitution, these tentacles are spreading all over the park. Speaker sir, Goa is known as a location of sinful and corrupted fun. This is the name that is worldwide. Goa has been known now. Speaker sir, the working trends. Speaker sir, the working trends in the tourism department. Speaker sir, the working trend in the tourism department. Tourism properties je hai, ye sogle outsider adite. Tourism ache je game operator hai, casino operator, ye sogle baile. Speaker sir, beach cleaning contract, ye sogle bailank. Beach security contract, ye sogle bailank. No security and stability about the shack owners also. Ani local taxi che and traditional taxi. Ye amge goinkar bao somehow are ejected out of the system. Speaker sir, je provision kela of 25520 lakhs of the tourism department. Anik in the budget speech, the Honorable Chief Minister has spoken about a master service agreement for monitoring information related to digital advertising, promote unexploited locations, commercial advertisements. You have also entered into partnership as per the budget speech with 3 more agencies. Nature trails, architecture trails, village walks, bird watching, camping. You have entered into an MOU with agencies to give publicity at national and international level. And that's because, sir, itle sarke plan kon bare dista. But why is our basic question? Why is there footfalls in our tourism? Who are these agencies? What is their expertise in this particular field? कित्याक हे सगळे एजन्सी गेले? इट्स बिकॉज what is the amount spent, कितले पैसे खर्च केले, आणि were these works not possible to do within the department? आता Goa is known to be a touristic state for so many years. The department doesn't have people. I think the Honorable Minister needs to answer. It's because GTDC in 83 crores provision kela. Anta ye 83 crores you say is made for the upgrading and developing tourism infrastructure. When you are developing tourism infrastructure, what are the plans? Let him tell us the plans. After that, because I will speak on it. Ata ye sunburn pod jata. ये जायते उलयले आत कोण एकलो मिनी सनबर्न आणून उलयतो, हालपोर आनी एकलो मायक्रो सनबर्न आणून उलयतलो. हे सनबर्न पडास बिकॉज दक्षिण गोंयच्या लोकांक ऑब्जेक्ट केला. You cannot play with the sentiments, but I feel that sunburn should be stopped in the state of Goa, in north and south. It has to be banned. And that's because there is an old saying, ki a burnt child dreads the fire. And I believe this is what Goa and Goans have faced the burns. Goa is faced the burns with drugs, accidents, deaths, cultural pollution. This is the new norm, cultural pollution. It's because young podki zata free for all. Anik no limit to vulgarity. This is how Goa is projected today with sunburn. It's because sunburn is a drug festival. Sunburns because ja paddatin, I repeat, is a drug festival to fortify this particular image. Attempts were made. I calling attention घातलें पण calling attention दोन पुसा गेल ना. Why म्हाका खबर ना चीफ मिनिस्टरान तेंक कित्या बाबडो मोडटा ते बेबदे मरे बाबडो मोडप तेंका सनबर्न वाल्यांक बिकॉज हय रे बाबडो तेण मोला पूण ते बेबदे बाबडो आनी खंयचे because ये जोरी तो चोयल्यार speaker sir, there is no transparency. It seems as if sunburn, I don't know why so much secrecy. Sarke, as if this is part of some security threat or some part of some defense secret system. Don't think this as sarke ile hype kota hai. 3 dis asto mai think license meta. As I agree to what Cabral Baba said, we will object it, and I believe that the government needs to come clear. Because sir, a small observation that I would put before the Honorable Minister, IMD चे जेन्ना ये focus है ताकि continuously जे red alert, orange alert, yellow alert हुई था. Now most of the times this alert have turned out to be false alarm. Yellow alert पढ़ा is normal rain. I believe that creates a little apprehension within a lot of tourists when they see this type of alerts. I believe that the Honorable Minister should have a talk with these IMD guys. I mean, you project yellow alert, red and orange is okay, but yellow is normal. Or yellow t-shirt kana. Because sir, the garbage related issues. Anta everyone will agree that Goa has lost to key countries, and we all know it. Why we have lost to key countries? Because the charters je etale, ye bon zalay main mutte oititing soglo garbage disti pada. Anik tourism department जो हा तो municipality जे गाता, municipality जो हा तो पंचायत जे गाता, they are passing the buck, and this because has to stop, especially on the beaches. This government talks about Goa beyond beaches. And what is this because of Goa beyond beaches? There is no connectivity to tourists. Anik ye maka dista is the primary focus. Absolutely no connectivity. On what base are you saying that Goa beyond beaches? I think the Honorable Minister should explain. Sogle जाग्यार पयर आनी एक व्हिडिओ जालो हे टाउट आनी कोण मसाज दिता ते थिंगाच बिचीचेर उक्तेच आनी थिंग आनी कावर बिवर नाका सगळे कांदोली हुंय बिचीचेर एक व्हिडिओ सर्क्युलेट जालो. These touts are selling everything आणि anything. Extend कोता स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर ये आमगेले टुरिस्टाक हॅरस कोता, and I feel that no action has been taken despite this, because this is completely a bad experience. Ada je fees our hoteliers or our Goan hoteliers, they are facing the heat because जाऊं Goa Coastal Zonal Management Authority, जाऊं panchayat, जाऊं pollution, जाऊं tourism, जाऊं FDA, जाऊं excise, all have increased their fees. आणि जेन्ना हे जाता स्पीकर सर, this leads to basically higher overheads and leading to business increasing their prices. आता सगळे जाग्यार चोयल्यार there are several alternatives to Goa within our country. If you look at this, because other destinations they are providing much better rates than Goa. This is something that he needs to look into.
Yes, ma'am.
Yuri. Speaker, sir, under Rule 16, I would like to move the motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 2 hours.
2 hours.
Speaker sir,
Yes. The motion is that duration of the sitting of the extended by 2 hours. Those in favor of the motion may say aye.
Aye.
And those against may say no. I say it, the motion is adopted. The duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 2 hours.
Speaker sir, JM Music royalty license, some of my colleagues have spoken about it. Basically, char ye national bodies they are claiming the share of the fees. And Jenna, an average bill or of a non-ticketed event is more almost 2.5 lakh rupiah anka spend korpak potta. And although there is relief to marriages, but I believe that these events they are suffering. You need to look into that. Speaker sir, Ada Gazette publication which you published, series 1 number 37 dated 14 December, basically point 4.5 of your bed and breakfast in a gated community. Ada, if you look at that requirement from NOC, from board of director is required, and chairman, a mandatory asta for registration in a gated community. Most of these flats je padya ye sagle baile munis. And ye baile munis because sir second and third homes. Munche angele second home and third home eme badya dile. Hundreds of flats are registered with the above NOC. Anik jenna register jata without the NOC nastana because sir enka 3 te 5 वर्षाचे registrationachi certificate jale. I demand that this speaker sir has to be audited. This is je ye baile eta speaker sir inga. And in the name of this policies, because basically there is so much of loss to the state exchequer. Same Gazette also mentions that tourism certificate jenna tumi geta, त्या वेळार तुम्ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाक सांगपाक जाय, PWDक सांगपाक जाय, पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाक सांगपाक जाय, फायर डिपार्टमेंटाक सांगपाक जाय. Currently, इंगा म्हाका दिसता नोडल एजन्सी ना, ये मॉनिटरिंग जायना. You are leaning to a huge leakage. हांव सदांच म्हणटा कितले हो लिकेजाचो सरकार हिंगाय leakage has, because I believe why there is a leakage, because all these are run on a domestic connection. I think you need to possibly sit down with the power minister. आणि जे आमगेले आज टॅरिफ बारीक मनशाचे गोरीब जनतेचे जे 3.5% हाईक केला, I believe the requirement is about 85 crores. You will get crores of rupees through this if you sit down and make sure that you share these documents. Because we appreciate the homestay, जे concept पडे हा ते homestay बडे हा. पण speaker sir, agreement and जो सरकार करपाक सोदता की आमची गोंयची संस्कृती, गोंयची परंपरा हे उरपाक जाय म्हणून. पण हुई ना हुई in the whole policy of yours, the intention which the policy is framed, there is one, the word owner, promoter, power of attorney and agent. This questions the whole intentions because of on which your policy is formed. You need to rethink over it. It's because जे आमी सुरवातेकू सांगलोलें की जेन्ना आमदार पयले जाले की हो दाबोलीचो एअरपोर्ट गोस्ट एअरपोर्ट जातलो म्हणून, आणि ते मुखार आनी थोडेशे म्हयन्यान जावपा आहा. I want to ask a very simple question to the Honorable Minister. Tomorrow you hypothetically take for a fact that it is declared as a ghost airport. Will it have any effect on the people of South Goa? Are you confident that the Mopa airport, that tourism would percolate through the entire state? Or can you give us, are you prepared for it or you are not prepared for it? You all are trying to save Daboli as another issue. That you all cannot save it under any circumstances, because feasibility is something that is important. Makadista Amche Cabral Bab was speaking about the diverge, and I want to correct him because I am from the aviation industry. I believe that the Qatar Airways flight that was supposed to land in Mopa and divert zala because the flight plan padasta, the captain at that time selected the alternate airport as Bangalore. That has no connection with it being diverted. Technically, Fly 91 has lands in Mopa, has Belgaum Airport as an alternate. So, but basically the way ये flight जे divert जाता है, सगळे international airlines जाता है, it's very simple. because तुक जरी तो रिंगसो काणकोण वचपाक जाय, तुक सुविधा आदर तूं ती गाड म्हणटा तुगे ती फ्यूज जाली, उज पेटला मा आयकलो आनी तुका हेलिकॉप्टर दिलो, तूं हेलिकॉप्टर बेगी पावतो न्हू, कित्याक तुका point A to point B बेगी पावपा जायो. It's a very simple thing. What is your focus in case the tourism department of all the South Goa hotels, South Goa चे कितें जातलें? I think keep for just a hypothetical situation, just answer me whether you are aware of the damage to the ecosystem. Have you planned for that? It's because Mukhel Mantri Jenna spoke about Dudhsagar trails. आणि ते तो म्हणपाक लागलो की एक popular tourist hotspot करपाक जाय म्हणून. You have failed towards the safety and security of locals. Basically, it's because जे tourists थिंगा visit कोताय, their security is at risk. Many people were about to drown. जे पाळली हिंगा सत्तरी हिंगा waterfall जे आहा, the people were rescued by the fire and emergency service and police. Tourists are not aware. It's because this happened despite the forest minister banned entry to all waterfalls in Goa during the rains. And that's because main मुद्द्याचे येता. हांव सदांच म्हणटा हो event management सरकार म्हणून. Now you have spent multiple crores on promoting activities and events. In reality, Speaker Sir, these events have turned out to be junkets. I believe that was the word that the Honorable MLA, through his studied approaches, was saying when he was in the opposition benches. He called this junkets, which has junked the tourism sector. 30 crore rupiah, Speaker Sir, almost 30 or 31 crore rupiah on international exhibitions and road shows from 2019 to 2023. The record of your influx of tourists that came has dropped 1,69,000 in 2022 as against 9,37,000 in 2019. Itle road trip kon pasom. And that's because sir, जो मंत्रीचो OSD आहा, वो OSD 100 पुसा भायर गेला. 100 पुसा भायर गेला, 6 foreign trips, I think almost to expense of almost 1 crore. And OSD is not a permanent office, not a permanent government officer. And Speaker Sir, what did he do? And what did the department get in bargain of sending the OSD on this foreign trip? Speaker Sir, ye sogle padai sangla mukode ye sogle inga answer hai LAQ hai. So whenever required, I will place it on the table of the House. Speaker Sir, it is shocking. And je officer tinga depute kele. I प्रश्न केलो की तेंगे बाबा report कितें on events, exhibitions, road shows, जे abroad होइताय, tour study मो होइताय, tour reports मो होइताय. This basically speakers are ये compliance report हुई भुरग्यागे report card दिताय ते भाषेत दिताय. कसलीच म्हाका दिसता जे information ना. Absolutely nothing. None of the reports have any details of the business generated during events, exhibitions and road shows. Speaker Sir, I can place the table on the table of the House this AJ report high. I request the Honorable Tourism Minister, you must give me a categorical assurance that you will table the proper reports. Whatever reports I have don't look like proper reports of all the promotional activities held abroad with data of all business to business interactions. Inquiries done and business generated. Report ache o 10 flighti paolo, taxi bosolo, hotlan gelo o report to Speaker Sir. A report on tourism vattole. Speaker Sir, speaking on the beach safety aspect is something which I spoke the other day. Anik, I still stand by my stand that 226 crores of rupees was spent where 56 drowning cases occurred from 2022 to 24. And there is absolutely cashless mechanism now to make sure that the services of the beach safety contractor or to monitor it properly. आतां मंत्रीन आमकां आन्सर दिल्लें 7 AM to 7 PM म्हणून. 111 night जे तुगे पेट्रोलिंग स्टाफ आहाय, what do they do? What is their role? What is happening with the tourist supervisors, with the tourist wardens? म्हाका खबर ना ते शेकां बसून बारीकशें घेताय काय म्हणून. Speaker sir, 2 days back, just 2 days back, there was another incident where a senior citizen couple in Kandolim, they, Speaker sir, basically they also drowned. Anta, if your lifeguards and tourist wardens were on duty, how were the couple allowed to go first of all in the beach when it is so rough? How were they allowed? What are the lifeguards doing? Speaker sir, my tall and direct charge is that Drishti life saving of rescuing lives and especially reuniting children mo ani ek answer ha with the parents is false. हांव कित्याक सांगता स्पीकर सर कित्याक I have a reply from the home department. हे भुरग्याक साल्वार कोताय मुआ पेरेंट्साक, which states, the home department reply states that they have no records of rescue operations nor reunion of lost children. Now, Speaker, I want to tell the Honorable Minister should clarify. How can a lifeguard just keep quiet when a person is drowning and not report doesn't go to the police? How do the tourist security force are not aware of such operations? How does the lifeguard himself, is he trained so well that he comes to a conclusion that the said drowning was not foul play, was not attempt to suicide, was not attempt to murder? How does the lifeguard decide this, Speaker sir? Speaker sir, who has given the authority to the lifeguard to decide that the parents are genuine or no, and of the lost child, and to whom do, and jenna unite kotai? How did you know that they are their parents? Because sir, ye maka dista, hui na hui, this is a flaw within the system. I think the Honorable Minister, I had congratulated him at the start, Ami jenna amdar zale, because I personally had a lot of expectations from him. Because the way he studied approaches and whatever, I had expectations from him. But somehow, because I feel that things are going from bad to worse. CCTV camera je busoila, and kon mudale 3 orsa hoite mute. Konan yem busoila, te busoila. Speaker sir, this CCTV footage, we will go on the beach. Show me how many CCTV footages you can show. Speaker sir, you show me the footages captured. You place it on the table of the House by Drishti. They are basically not working. Whatever are there are absolutely not in the swim zone. Yeah, reality. Because despite all your shortcomings, despite that the department renewed the contract and June 2024, the Jenna ani extension dila. Honorable Minister has assured me that 3 mahinani new fresh tenders atla. But Speaker sir, I want to know and I want a categorical answer from the Minister on the assurance to place on the table of the House the detailed report of your rescue operations that they have done, reuniting missing children claims made by Drishti, and also on the missing of lifeguards during drowning deaths. I would also like you to tell me of the je amche Cabral Baban sangla, ye पहिली सिस्टमा गायला, this reply चोयल्यास because of the equipment, tower na, guard sark na, jet ski na, sogle kainch na. And their own tourism department is saying, Speaker sir. Today, I believe with them, Zaite amge Goinkar Bawahai, who are recruited by Drishti and the support staff. I have reports that even they are not paid salary in time. This is something that you need to look at. Basically, we should set up a separate cell, possibly, and absorb all the lifeguards under the government. Because एक motto problem ha, and this is an issue which was highlighted, is with the tourism minister. I would like you to produce the certificates of training of these lifeguards, because your reply says in several places, training una. How do we know that the lifeguard can swim? How do we know it? Because the scope of work and just stipulate as per the contract, you place them on the table of the House. Speaker sir, beach cleaning ache janna oloitna. This government has spent 31.79 crores on the beach cleaning contracts and given it to Karnataka Commercial and Industrial Corporation Private Limited. The contract was from 2019 for 3 years. Speaker sir, what is the current status of this? Please let me know what is the current status. Or is it the same formula of the Drishti? And why, if it is the same, why did you not invite for fresh tenders after the completion of the contract? What is the methodology of the contractor for scientific handling of management and disposal of garbage? What is that within your job scope? How many segregation sites are there? How many composting units are there? Speaker sir, Zayat Koden Soilami, a lot of places, I think you were also there in several events where garbage was collected on beach sites. A lot of our honorable judges of the High Court also were there. Now, if, say for example, piles of garbage are collected on beaches like Miramar, Magir Speaker sir, ye ani kesle beach cleaning jata. Very important. Last time, and I request the Honorable Minister to answer me on this one. Last time I asked him, he didn't. Now, you had alleged, when you were in this side, that the beach cleaning scam is of 14 crores. You had gone to the Lokayukta and you had complained. Now you are the helm of affairs. What is the status? Is it still the scam or has it changed? Or some people have sent passes. I think the Honorable Minister needs to kindly clarify on this. Speaker sir, Jenna Ami illegal homestays and bookings of online accommodation, the government and the department has failed. There is no mechanism to stop touts, messiahs, vehicles venturing on the beaches. Osod hai, oson utka oson, bond padai. Tenna mai to video viral jata. Speaker sir, jet tourism master plans of tugela aslo and tourism policy. Now what you are proposing, I'll come on it later, is completely different. Speaker sir, the tourism department has failed. There should be a calendar of events throughout the year. या उमके औरसाक ये उमको इवेंट उमके दिसा काजार उमके दिसा तियात उमके दिसा चिकल यहाँ देंगे उमके दिसा सांजुआ उमके दिसा ये टूरिस्टा कोडपाक जाय मोदे टक को सानबन कोटा सानबन डेट बीट कोटा दूसरी ये इवेंटा डेट कांच कोणा स्पीकर सर wasteful expenditure of organizing events by the department by giving funds to private organizers. आणि एकलोच आमचे विजय बाबान सांगलो दिसता म्हाका शॉन मू कोण एकलो इव्हेंट्स कोण करता सगळे इव्हेंट थिंगा वयते आनी हे कित्याक जाता स्पीकर सर एंड इन पर्टिक्युलर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज ओनली माननीय मंत्रीन म्हाका सांगलें हेरिटेज फेस्टिवलाचे विजय बाब उलयला हेरिटेज हें पड विलेज पड्या म्हणटी शांदोर जाली मंत्रीन म्हळें म्हाका बुरोयन धाड मू थिंगा एक फेस्टिवल करपाक जाय म्हणून मंत्री काम बुरोयन धाडे 6 म्हयने जाले कांय ना रिप्लाय तेजे स्पीकर सर हेरिटेज विलेज मू शांदोर स्टेट डिक्लेअर कोता आनी थिंग हेरिटेज फेस्टिवल जायना स्पीकर सर I want the minister to give me a categorical assurance that utilization certificates and compliance reports together will be made compulsory for all those funds of grants and tourism department. Speaker sir, जे बिलाचेर जे प्रपोज केला तेजे जायते उलयले, but I was shocked to see that all of us as MLAs were invited to attend the presentation of the said bill when the process of inviting suggestions was not complete. It was not complete, it was still added. Second, Speaker sir, the ideal time for such presentation should have been during the completion of the receipt of suggestions. After you receive the suggestion, that is the time when you had to call us. I want to stress, when I say dictatorial approach of this tourism department, which you said hey, you have invited only suggestions, not objections in that thing that you have sent. Speaker sir, आमचे tourism department जे आहा, it survives on land, nature, traditions, culture, आमची heritage. I believe that every Goinkar has a right to object to all the wrongdoings of the government, especially the Department of Tourism are all out to intrude into territories of other departments. Here कित्याक म्हणटा Speaker sir, कित्याक हे jetty policy करता आसतना ते जाले. Today they are intruding into Home Department भितर स्वता, Finance Department भितर स्वता, Environment and Climate Change Ministry भितर स्वता. Somehow he seems to be the de facto Chief Minister. Speaker sir, आज जे प्रोविजन केला सस्टेनेबल फी म्हणून 2%. आता हे अंडर जे टुरिझम एंटरप्राइज अंडर सेक्शन 73 हे जे क्लायंट आहे तेंकडे रिकवर करतले एज इट इज द टुरिझम इज गोइंग डावन. जे प्रपोज बिल हॅज गॉट सेक्शन 73 ऑफ क्लस्टर्स जे टुरिजम क्लस्टर केले तेज भायर स्पीकर सर जे ओरिजिनल बील आशिल्लें टुरिजम बिलाचें 8 करोड मोडून जे केल्लें त्या वेळार दीस बेजिकली हॅड TTAG GCCI जे शॅक्साचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह तांकां घेवन हिंगा म्हाका दिसता हे सगळे क्रोनी क्लब मेंबर हितून ते बाबडे नायच स्पीकर सर I demand that the tourism minister should maintain complete transparency and take each and every stakeholder into confidence before bringing the said bill in the house. And that's because sir, penalty घातल्या बिलान 10 लाख रुपया. अरे आनी थिंग एक दाखलो 2-star होटल वाल्याक आनी 5-star वाल्याक सेम 10 लाख रुपया. ये स्पीकर सर क्या हो रहा है? ये क्यों हो रहा है? हे म्हाका दिसता मंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर जे हिंटरलँड आनी मॉन्सून टुरिजम हेजे जेन्ना उलयतना आतां तुगेलो गांव हिंटरलँड प्रमोट करपाक जाय निलेश बाबान सांगलां आमी हे हिंटरलँड शूड बी प्रमोटेड नाव दीस गव्हर्मेंट आय से इज डायरेक्शन ना द फोकस इज ओनली स्पेंडींग द मनी हें कित्याक सांगता बिकॉज हांव कित्याक म्हगेलें जे LAQ आहा ऑन द एक्सपेंडिचर इनकर्ड बाय द टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंट टू प्रमोट Goa as hinterland and monsoon tourism. And the destination was 10 crores 67 lakhs to a mole. Speaker sir, for the last 2 years, and as per reply, the department has not yet notified, selected any location when it comes to hinterland and monsoon tourism in Goa. Speaker sir, all those that thing aha. I'm 45 minutes Speaker sir, this shows nothing but the stupidity of the tourism department. You have not identified any location, you have not selected any location but hinterland 10 crores 67 lakhs modaite. Speaker sir, any tourism department should also work with the forest department and the IMD when and where and whether the tourists are safe to go in the waterfall I think too. Other Speaker sir, जे performance of outside artists जे गोंयांत perform कोताय, I believe that there is absolutely no control on the performance of these outside artists. आता I demand that the tourism minister to place on record if you have the data of the performance of non-Goan artists in various 5-star and category hotels and revenue generated through such performances. There is no revenue, there is no record with you. Speaker sir, my charge is that the tourism officials are hand in gloves with these event management agencies and deliberately ignore such performances. And that's because, sir, jenna last tourismache uloitna, I'm shocked of mafia raj in tourism. He kitak sangtas because, sir. And je ek legal notice dalli on July 2024 was issued by one MS Waterfront Experience Private Limited, having their office in Karanzalem. Now, Speaker sir, this was notice was issued to whom? To the editor-in-chief of Goa in Goa 24/7 for publishing the story about the ill treatment and insult to our freedom fighters at Fort Aguada Jail Museum on 18th June 2024 and demanding that the said story should be published by channel or remove it. ये मागा नोटिस ये जी नोटिस आती है ये स्पीकर ने कित चलना. This shows basically that this government is basically favoriting all these people. आमचे जेन्ना फोर्ट आग्वादान जेन्ना आमगे स्वतंत्र सैनिक गेले तांकां बंद केले मग एक व्हिडिओ आणि आमगेले ते 4th pillar of democracy आज तांकां नोटीस धाडटाय इफ दे कॅनॉट सेंड ही दादागिरी जे हे MS Waterfront Limited पडे हाय हेमकां म्हाका दिसता द टुरिजम मिनिस्टर should take them at task. It is their mistake that they did not recognize our freedom fighters and they are sending this notice to the press in spite of it was a good thing that the press highlighted it. Speaker sir,
point of order कित्याक जे तो सांगता to the information of my department and the director concerned, there is no notice sent to anybody.
okay, I will place it now.
You please place it now.
Yes,
place
yes,
it now.
yes, I will place
Secondly,
it now.
Speaker sir, so this is the third time he's talking about freedom fighters.
I will place it now. The notice has been. Mantri Bab,
freedom fighters jenna
I
gelle,
will
Speaker
place
sir.
it.
Speaker sir, freedom fighters jenna थंय गेल्ले तांणी ID card बी कांय दाखोवन आशिल्ले Jenna ID card dakle, they were given a welcome. Some media, whoever he's talking about, first only made some news. And Taja Magar Freedom Fighter ni swata video place kela, which also I will place on the table of the house if you
Speaker,
want.
sir.
Put notice Dharpaja asa before
Your-
this day
this
ends.
is-
Let him send.
I will give it to
as
you
per
right
the
now.
director,
Speaker,
nothing has been sent.
I will give
Please
it to you.
place it.
I will give it to you. This MS waterfront notice पट्टेंग डाळ्या, legal notice पट्टेंग डाळ्या, ते हांव I will place it.
Speaker sir, त्याने मला डिपार्टमेंटान धाडल्या म्हणून.
Because sir, I said that
आता if
MS,
somebody is sending it
Just
there,
check.
it is within them.
it is not, that is what I'm trying to
You're
say.
blaming, you're accusing the government, Speaker sir.
See what I'm trying to tell the honorable minister.
कंप्लीट करा 5 मिनट लास्ट 5 मिनट 45 मिनट झाले
Speaker sir, speaking on the,
last 5
on
minutes,
the
sir.
information technology department. Information technology department, Speaker sir, ये जे gear up जाता about acquisition of properties, इंगाई acquisition, leasing आणि transfer of properties झाला. याच departmentaपासून. We hear of जे startup, सांगतो मर तुका. We talk about startup policy and measures to encourage startups on one side. I believe that the ministry has failed to attract any single house of repute. When I say repute, I will come back to that. What we see is big announcements, big conventions, round table, from this platform. Speaker sir, I believe that this is another department where last year Chief Minister had proposed कि सगळे ऑफिस आपण पेपरलेस कोता मो हे पेपरलेस करपाक म्हाका दिसता प्रयत्न जाले 2012 दिसता म्हाका टू 2015 अजून जाल ना. You have reduced the cost of stationery to and save trees in the long run. mo ek sangla. On the other side, this seems to be like a joke because trees are being illegally felled all across the state, and the forests have cleared to make way for mega projects. It's conflicting. Now, Speaker sir, let the honorable minister tell that one department has gone paperless. Basically, how many government departments, websites, they have become non-functional, or people are failing, they are facing this problem of accessing them. Website. Now, hacking is something that is happening in this system. Several government websites, SCERT, Goa Teacher Eligibility, GTET, Infotech Corporation, Goa's recruitment application, laptop scheme websites, by planting IPL bet, you know about it. They planted this, so this was hacked. I think you need a more robust security system. You were sanctioned, or the government was sanctioned 40 crores. You were sanctioned 40 crores in 20 to 23 to digitalize old files. I think your archaeology minister also is there. How far has this reached? Last year, the department had informed me that you would introduce artificial intelligence based on chatbots. Now, what is this that you have done? Is this happened, or what have you done to help the people and their grievances? Speaker sir, a proposal of the Department of Information and Technology with regards to creating optical fiber cable to replace the outdated GBBN. Ada, you plan to launch GBBN 2.0. And jenna tumi launch kurpak kele by as the state-owned fiber by connecting 12 taluka, 191 panchayat, 25 government offices, 228 villages. Because of project Jala was to state, PPP and central module. What is the status of this project? Or whether this was only another election gimmick? Speaker sir, this government has paid 82 crores between 2019 to 2023 to one MS United Telecom Limited, the agency for GBBN. Now the contract has expired to MS United Telecom Limited. The contract had expired on 31st March 2023. You have extended for more 4 months. Speaker sir, what is the status of this?
2 years plus 2.
Now,
4
Speaker
months.
sir, I would like to congratulate the many Goan youth who have succeeded in the startup of the ecosystem due to their perseverance. Speaker sir, I was the first to congratulate you because I had a lot of expectations. Speaker sir, I would draw the attention of the mushrooming telecom tower hai. No approvals, no permissions required from any authority. That is correct. But this seems to be the legacy of the double engine Sarkar. And this could be the dictate from the Sarkar of the जे ऑयल इंजिन आहा स्पीकर सर टावर्स आर इरेक्टेड इन मेनी लोकेशन तुम चोयला आसतलें नो रिस्पेक्ट टू एनवायरमेंट ह्यूमन लायफ रोड एंड सेफ्टी नॉर्म्स एक टावर्स आर रस्त्या मोदे आहाय and there are no revenue to panchayat and locals also. With regards to his prime, kabar kota speakers, with regards to his basic setup, I had got a few guys in the IT on your department, I mean within the industry contacted me. Basic problems, no internet connectivity, they are facing power problems, lack of proper transportation. आता जे incentives जे companies are दिवपाक जाय for almost say 5 years, this is to require to offset their initial cost or whatever it is. These SOPs and EODBs, in terms of numerous government permissions that is required, should be consistent for at least 5 years. Crores of rupees are allocated for you in your budget, but in every budget and every year, little is done on the ground. Work and human resource is the main problem in the department. Workforce or hands-on skill requirement today, non-availability of qualified human resource remains a major issue. And bridge courses that were suggested to you by GITP, Speaker Sir, no concrete steps have been taken in this measure. Unavailability of spaces. Anta ye spaces ache lo itna dusra ani ek space ha to gele. I would, Speaker Sir, setting up of co-working spaces je pad sanglele. E hui sanglele Mukhyamantri Bab. पोन्ने जे व्हाइट एलिफंट बस स्टॉप बी आहे ते मोविन सांगता जायत व्हाइट एलिफंट बस स्टॉप थिंक करपाक मंत्री दुसरें कोता स्पीकर सर द बेसिकली IT policy isn't it lapsed जे IT policy was lapsed in August 2023 speaker sir जे IT companies यांका they are made to run from pillar to post for every registration and related issue forget you all helping them they are themselves suffering. Speaker Sir, startup policy 2021 is about to lapse in November 2024. Exposure to markets, ye amgele ye IT bhav hai. You have done little efforts to give market access. Speaker Sir, oire sarkya Rohan Bab sarkya I check kelde. They have very little access to local Goan companies in the global markets. Anda, what have you done for collaboration with the startups? ये जे several real-time cases जे पड़ जाता in the IT department that could be developed by local startups in collaboration with the government. But what the government is doing is disheartening to see no action taken in this direction. Lack of ease of doing business. काय जी application दिता है मुख्यमंत्री बाब ये receive जाता है schemeo they are till fulfillment takes a lot of time. So they are suffering. Medium-sized IT company. Speaker Sir, it is the apathy of the government that you have failed to invite and incentivize any medium-scale IT company in Goa. Let the Honorable Minister tell me. These generate significant employment when you have a medium-sized IT company, and I believe that for the overall ecosystem of the state, this is something that is required. Speaker Sir, I don't know, the Honorable Minister should clarify with me, and I want to put it on record that the tourism department itself is still not shifted on online mode of payments. Have you shifted on online mode of payments? That is something that you reply. Speaker Sir, Maka dista that you should not wait anymore and take steps to strengthen the existing network so that the sufferings of the citizens and students should not get reduced. Website, last eje roloita je website and security hai. ये website and security, several websites because are ukti jane of the government itself, and this is because of the security cover of all these websites, especially je secure sockets layer mo asta SSL. This because there are many government websites, including that of the information and publicity. This results in a lot of websites not working. I think it costs about 2,000 or 3,000 rupees. But several departments of websites are not valid with this. Because I believe that you should look at this. Gramin Mitra Montuin Kalai, Tanka Speaker Sir, Tinga Sarki quality internet na, they are unable to submit their thing because people are basically suffering. Speaker Sir, आता last point आचे जो co-working spaces जो मंत्रीन सांगला आणि मुख्यमंत्रीन announce केला sea, sun, sand and software mo. आता where entrepreneurs can enjoy मुझे त्यांगा बीचीचे घालपाचे. आता पहिले सध्या Speaker Sir, मोरजी बीच, अश्वे बीच आणि कोलवा बीच or reply म्हाका मेवला. आता IT minister has floated the idea of giving these beaches. स्पीकर सर पयलीं सुवातेर बिचेर सगळे ड्रग्स जाता, मसाज जाताय, ड्रग पेडलर आहाय, माफिया आहाय, डॉग सुण्याचे माफिया आहाय आता हे भोंवताय थिंगा. स्पीकर सर, and now our beaches have suffered so much of damage and it is up to the government now they are coming with sea, sun, sand and software. I had asked specifically pertaining to MS LNA Infra Projects
Wind up, Karat.
MS LNA Infra Projects Private Limited. Speaker sir,
MSLNE?
you have appointed this for contract for design and construction of co-working spaces. Speaker sir, this has allied with Ashwe Anik Morji.
Design करता तो.
You want me to give it? I'll give it to you.
No, co-working, say co-working.
Speaker sir, yeah, co-working only. I am told that the NOC you've got from Goa Coastal Zonal Management Authority. And the Speaker sir, this is a turtle nesting site in this beach. Speaker sir, this beach, Speaker sir, this beach is already notified as a turtle nesting beach. This beach is facing issues of vehicles driven on the beach, environmental issues, bursting of firecrackers, illegal shacks and various other issues. Pun Speaker sir, addition to this, Kolwai gela ek khabar ha jala oban na maka benzik. Expression of interest ek pusa gaila te left zala. And left zala potun bid gaila for these co-working spaces. इतले बिचीचेर आहा आनी तांकां आनी कितें करपा आटाय स्पीकर सर. बिचू सारकी सांबाळपा जायना आनी तांकां को वर्किंग स्पेस तेम सांगलोले IT डिपार्टमेंट बाबा हुंय बस स्टॉपा बी तिंगाले हो खाण सोमतो बिचेर जाता. सो स्पीकर सर, incidentally this consultant that you have appointed, you look into it specially with Kolwa. Last age uloita Speaker sir, Kolwa expression of interest is floated twice with regards to co-working spaces. So basically that you have spent, I think, a lot of crores of rupees on these consultants. Whether this will go ahead, feasibility, you appoint consultant first, and then whether you will get the licenses later is something that you need to look into. Speaker sir, last printing and stationery, I believe that this is age of e-governance and printing paperless administration. 1 minute, sir, 8:37 kabar koto. Speaker sir, the Department of Printing and Stationery has basically has to be reinvented korpak. Anik, this department has served the government well. However, Speaker sir, they modernize korpak jay tumi ti. Second, je publication release jata hai, time bound manner ak jawpak jay. Government gazette pade ha, a official language Konkanin jawpak jay. According to your answers, you have translators that are appointed from English to Konkani. It has to be vice versa. If you can, this is the answer that you have given me. Why is it not possible for you to reverse and make sure that you translate Konkani and English? Thank you, Speaker sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.